Okay, Shantana here on Yamaha E453 keyboard, and I'm going to show you well, at least one of the tracks that are recorded a song on. If you want to call it a song, why just call it a song or a track or whatever, right? But it's a series of tracks. So each button represents one track, and all these tracks put together create a whole ensemble beat thingy, whatever you want to call it, right? So I'm going to show you what I already have. I'm not going to show you how I record, but you will get the gist of it, right? So putting on the keyboard. Right, let me look at the monitor here. Right, so it's just on a basic thing. That is, every keyboard will start on grand piano. So what I'm going to do, we have three main buttons here. Forget about pattern. Voice has to do with this. So if I press the plus sign here, right, I keep pressing the plus sign, you're going to change the tone. Right, see? Right, so voice have to do with the instrument that is attached to the key. And then we have the style, which has to do with the beat, right? And the song is the whole ensemble. So for example, this is a song that already comes with the keyboard. So I'm going to put it on, right? Right, that already built into the keyboard. But there are 10 users, as you see counting down here, that this be free for the keyboardists to make their own songs other than what come with the keyboard actually. So I took the liberty of experimenting with the record function here. So you have a record function, and that means you could record the beat and you could record your voice, right? And they give you 6 tracks to work with, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and that 6 tracks is displayed here on the display screen, right? And if you could minus a track, so you're going to press, like you see it, 1 2 3 4 5 6, you're going to press 2, and you see, look, it come out, right? So I'm going to press 3 4 5, and I'm going to just play 1 and 8. Well, I wouldn't just play that, right? Let me go on a song that on the keyboard actually, the same chilling song as this one, right? You see that all the tracks, songs were recorded on. So if I minus 2 3 4 5, and I just leave 1 and 6, this is what we will hear. Take out 1. So you see what's going on there? As fast as I'm minusing tracks, certain elements of the music, certain parts of the music is inactive, because you was hearing a full song of a whole full music band, and then when I press certain knobs, you're not hearing the full song. That means each track has recorded they record a series, either a beat or a melody line or harmony or a synth or strings or whatever on each track, and all of them put together make the whole ensemble, the whole music come alive now, right? So the same thing applies to the 10 tracks they give us. So I took the liberty of recording. I was actually experimenting, because I mean, for the length of time I had this keyboard, I never really messed with the record function, because I didn't understand it. But then I started doing a music production class, and so how they put music together and stuff. They actually was using Logic Pro X. They was using software. I don't have a laptop, the Mac laptop, to really record in that way. So I say, you know what, I'm going to utilize the record functions on my keyboard. It is a little more lengthy and a little more harder to record on the keyboard than through our software using a MIDI keyboard and a program, because you could just record like one little piece of melody, like we could do that, and it'll just keep looping over if you're using a program. But if you're using keyboard, you have for the whole length of the song. If the whole length of the song is 3 minutes, you have to keep doing that. It don't loop over. So that is what makes it difficult. But it poses a challenge for me, and that's a good thing because it'll help me. The more I keep doing it the hard way, it'll be easier for me the easy way. Right? Much easier. It'll be like nothing. So anyhow, without further ado, I'm gonna use one of my tracks. Right? I have number 6 is a Soca parang. Well, yeah, it's a Soca parang, right? So this is what I have here. Right. Now notice it have some things louder than others. I have to work through those kinks, but we will get there. So what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna minus the bass. Yeah, here the bass, because the bass didn't come in yet, but I'm gonna play the bass myself, and I'm gonna leave number 1 and number 3 is instrumental. It's not instrumentals. It's like percussions. So we're gonna listen to that, right? That number 1. Okay, well number 1 is the talk, right? And number 3. And number 4. Number 5. Right, so you see when I press stuff, like the more stuff I press, the more added to the track. Right? So mostly what I want to do is run my own bass line. So I'm going to press voice. Sorry if you can't see too good. I have to have 100 like a real good phone, but we're working with what we have, right? So I'm gonna press I think it's 445. 445 is right bass, right? So this is how to put some volume. I like that song. So but I wanna mix it with another song, so you can dual. Keep your fingers down on it, right? And we're gonna press 159, and that is a port tune. So when we're gonna dual it with this tune, what I have here, and this is what it. All right. So back to the bass line, right? So this is dualed with this. They are meshed together to create these two songs. Right? So we got those two songs together there. Those to create a bass. I didn't just want to create a bass like this. Right? I mean, it's sounding good, I guess. Yeah, it's sounding good enough. But for some reason, I like this. Right? And already set it and all too. So sorry if you can't see the screen 200, but let me just send up the volume on it. Right, to about, let me say 100. Yeah, let me try 100 because the talk and the how you call it, percussions, and them they record a little loud. So let me go 100 with this one, 102 here. Right. Right. So here we're gonna do. We're gonna arrange this track. Right. We're gonna arrange the track. We're gonna minus the bass from this. Right. Minus the bass. What else is there to do? Right, minus the first percussion, and you're going to use the third percussion. We're going to use the first percussion, right, which is the talk, right? So this is the beat, this is the guitar, Spanish guitar, and this is the first percussion, which is the talk, right? So this is what we're going to do here. going to do again is we're going to add the brass to it, right? We're going to add the brass. Now how I'm holding the phone and trying to play at the same time is kind of a little difficult, but we're going to make this work, right? So we're going to start off with the same thing, right? Hit song, right? And that is basically how it is operate, right? So it's more than just recording a whole set of tracks and playing it all together. Sometimes it's song muddy, sometimes the song jumble up. Whatever you record, you can manipulate it and play along with whatever you choose to play along. Like I could have just already record that bass, but I'm still experimenting with the bass, so I able to record it, right? But and don't mind I make mistakes because I was kind of looking through the phone and then alternating back, so my finger kind of slipped there. But I just giving you overall, or just a little snippet, actually not overall, a snippet of what how this operate, right? You could record on each track, and you could play to suit. So I mean, you can minus at certain times and add at certain times to build on your music. And yeah, that's basically it, right? This is Shantana on the E453 Yamaha keyboard, and I hope you get something out of it.